We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Update to the latest iOS. Another common solution to many problems in iOS 12 or 11 is to update to the latest version of the iOS, which may solve the issue caused by system bugs. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, check if there is a new version available. If yes, download and install it on your device.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.